In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install a screen protector tempered glass on your watch. Easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and looked at your watch. You said protection is in your mind. Don't worry. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. A motorcycle ride away, then a bike ride, then a few steps, but a back is a back. And the first thing that you're going to need is a watch. The second thing that you're going to need is yourself. And if you were lucky enough to gather these two things, you're gonna need an anti-scratch, bubble-free tempered glass screen protector for your watch. This particular one comes in a 3-pack, is under $7, and it's specifically designed for Casio G-Shocks. Our particular model is the GM2110D-2B, and it is one of the metal G-Shock variants. But no matter which brand of watch you have or type, the technique will be the same. And in this particular pack, you're gonna get your wet wipe, your dry wipe, a microfiber cloth, a dust absorber sticker, 2 guide stickers, and lastly and most importantly, your 9H hardness anti-scratch bubble-free tempered glass screen protector. And because this one is a 3-pack, it means that everything that you see here, you're gonna get it 3 times. The next important thing that we're gonna need is something to protect your watch when working on it. You can use a watch casing cushion like this one. The top is made of leather, but let's say you have more space on your work surface, then you can use a silicone work mat like this one, or even better yet, you can use your loved ones, partners, friend or family members favorite t-shirt on the household. And we do this because we want to protect our investment. The last thing you want is to go from protection to a few extra scratches that you weren't looking for. And now that we filled your brain with data, we're ready for the install. So out of the 2 wipes, you're going to see one that has the number 1 on it, and that is your wet wipe. So just like when you're in your throne, you want to get every nook and cranny of that glass. And according to the manufacturer, it seems this is an alcohol pad. Once we finish with that step, we're going to notice that one of the wipes has a number 2 on it, and this is your dry wipe. So just like in the bathroom, after the wetness comes the dryness. We're going to go ahead and wipe the entire glass until fully dry. And what the combination of these 2 things do is clean up, pick up, and take away. If it sounds familiar, you've been doing it your whole life. Next, we're going to use our microfiber cloth, and this is going to go ahead and help finish cleaning the glass. And now lastly, on our cleaning steps, we're going to use our dust sticker. This is basically going to remove any dust that has settled during the wait, or even remove any particles left behind by the wipes or the cloth. So when using this, you want to make sure that you do this part right before placing the glass, because the more time in between each process, the more time for dust to accumulate on the glass. So once we finish with this step, we right away bring the tempered protector glass into the party so it can mingle. And what we're basically going to do is align the glass with the watch glass, having the sticker of the tempered glass where the letters are located facing and in between the watch glass and the tempered glass. Once we feel that it is aligned to our liking, now we're ready to use our guided stickers to stick it on the tempered glass and the watch. This is going to help us guide the glass in place. In this particular kit, we have 2 guided stickers. We're going to go ahead and use both of them. We like to place it on the opposite side of where the tempered glass sticker is at, so it won't obstruct the placing. And now you've done it. You have a new looking watch with a few stickers, and it's looking great. And now comes the moment of truth. We're basically going to pick up our tempered glass. We're going to gently remove the sticker that holds the film in place. And this is the part of the video where you use the most caution, and we know you can, grasshopper. We want to make sure that we don't touch the tempered glass from the inside. We guide it back down to position, and if everything came out well, and we know it did, we can use our microfiber cloth to pressure the glass in place. If you notice any bubbles, you can go ahead and push them out as well. And remember, if you didn't get it in the first try, you can always try to remove the glass and align it to your liking. If you're unable to use the same glass, that's why why buying a multi-pack is always a good idea. You can have it for these cases, or whenever you need to replace the glass, you're ready to go. Meaning you go and leave the watch behind. I mean, you take the watch and leave yourself behind. You get what I mean. And now you did it. You gave your watch a facelift that it needed. You can go ahead and fight your way through obstacles of life without having to worry for any scratches, at least on the glass. So as you can see, you can't even notice it. You went for surgery and you came back out the same. We did notice that not only you get the extra protection, but in this particular case with this model, it seems the reflection of the glass itself makes the watch brighter and easier to read. So that's a 2-for-1. Now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. We can call you the watch protector of your town. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.